Recipe for making sushi at home. Ingredients: 2 cups of sushi rice, 2 cups of water, 1/4 cup of rice vinegar, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt. Sushi filling, e.g. cucumber, avocado, crab meat, smoked salmon. 6 to 8 sheets of nori seaweed. Soy sauce. Wasabi, optional. Instructions. 1. Rinse the sushi rice several times until the water runs clear. 1. Drain the rice and put it in a pot with 2 cups of water. 1. Let the rice soak for 30 minutes. 2. Bring the rice to a boil. Then lower the heat and simmer for 15 to 20 minutes, or until the water has been absorbed and the rice is tender. 3. In a small saucepan, mix the rice, vinegar, sugar, and salt. 3. Heat the mixture over medium heat, stirring occasionally, until the sugar dissolves. 4. Once the rice is done, transfer it to a large bowl and add the vinegar mixture. 4. Stir gently to combine and coat the rice evenly. 5. Let the rice cool to room temperature. 6. Meanwhile, prepare your sushi filling. 6. Cut the cucumber, avocado, crab meat, smoked salmon or any other filling ingredients you like into thin strips. 7. Place a sheet of nori on a bamboo sushi mat. 7. Wet your hands with water to prevent the rice from sticking, and spread a thin layer of sushi rice evenly over the nori. 8. Leave a 1-inch border of nori uncovered at the top of the sheet. 8. Place your filling ingredients in a horizontal line on the bottom third of the rice-covered nori sheet. 9. Using the mat, roll the sushi tightly from bottom to top, pressing gently to make sure the roll is tight and secure. 10. Repeat with the remaining nori sheets and filling ingredients. 11. Once you have rolled all the sushi, use a sharp knife to slice the rolls into bite-sized pieces. 12. Serve with soy sauce and wasabi, if desired. Enjoy your homemade sushi.